good. Hey y'all, today is 2 days later. I washed, conditioned my hair the other day, made my little concoction for my hair growth, and I'm starting my braids. You can't really tell a color. It's color 350. I thought it was gonna be like more of an orangey color. And then, hey, you know, he just want to be in something so bad. Making some tuna fish. But that is not for you. That's probably why you thought it was for you, huh? Get your butt down. Get down. Do we got relish? Damn. Get down, Nino. Say it right now. We don't have any relish. I like relish in my tuna fish. And then I had pickles in my refrigerator for a couple weeks. They didn't expire, but I usually just eat my pickles when I have tuna fish. I'm like, I'm not gonna have tuna fish for a while. Of course, we will make tuna fish the day after I throw away my, what the heck? My pickles. He don't listen. I asked my man to get the stuff for me. So, and my tuna fish, whatever brand of tuna we get, I always make sure it's solid chunk and water. I don't like it in oil. But onions, usually I have relish, mayo, and however many cans of tuna fish I have, I'll have 1 egg. So I told him that, and it looked like he got, it's too many eggs. Well, he don't listen. I have gloves on because I'm doing my hair. I did wash my hands, but you know when you put hair product in your hand and your hands still feel a little slippery? So I didn't want that to be in my food. Now I have my tripod, so I'm gonna try to prop this up so y'all can see what I'm doing. So it's just my onions. We have 4 cans of tuna fish, so 4 eggs. Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would've thought I'd get you? Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But dang, move over. I just beeped the horn. I'm not even driving. He don't like when I do that. You mad? But we are on our way to Marshall's, Target, and Trader Joe's. I don't know what we're getting. I know tonight he wanted to grab some. He making salmon, but I don't know if I want that. I might eat it. Whatever. That's about it. I don't even. Why did I even pull this camera out? Oh, this is my hair. Did I show y'all my hair? So it took me 2 days to do my hair. Every time I say I'm gonna do my hair, and I'm going to make them not too small and not as many plaits. I always do them small, and I have a lot of plaits. But it's cute. I wanted an orange color. I wanted to say this is the number 350. I'll show y'all when I get out the car, but it don't look that orange to me. I wanted it a nice fall color. I went to the dentist yesterday, and I never really talked about my braces journey, but I had just top braces because I have a canine tooth that was a baby tooth. And when I used to go to that dentist, everybody would say, you know, you got a baby tooth. I'm like, yeah, I know. They would ask me, do it bother me? I said, no, it doesn't bother me. Is it something that I should do? They said, no. So like 2 years ago it cracked, and I'm like, yeah, we gotta do something about this. Went to the dentist, got an x-ray. There was 2 options. Either they could take out the baby tooth and insert in fake tooth, or if I have a actual adult tooth in my gums, they could pull it down. So of course I had a tooth in my gums, which I was a little irritated because I wanted them just to pull the baby tooth out and get a fake tooth and call it a day. But I had a tooth right there, so they can't insert artificial tooth if you have an actual tooth in that spot. So what did I do? So I had this top braces to pull down the adult tooth. So I'm gonna have to finish this story when I get in the house because I'm talking too much and I feel like I'm rushing. Let's go to Trader Joe's and I'll tell y'all the rest of the story.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion.
Hey y'all, so we back in the house from the couple stores. I'm gonna show y'all what we got. I think I showed y'all what we got from Trader Joe's in the store. But we stopped at a liquor store and got some Chianti. Might drink that tomorrow. But tonight, we're gonna make some salmon in the, what is that? The air fryer. Oh, do I want salmon? Yeah, I think he making salmon. I might eat a piece. And then I want to make these 2 honey walnut shrimp. Like Panda Express. I think that's what it's going to taste like. And got these from Target. And let me show you something. I got this ice cream from Giant. Dairy-free ice cream. What is it? Wicked Kitchen mint chocolate chip, 100% plant-based. I don't like it. I just tried it last night and it gives me, what is in here? It's milk-free and egg-free. It's like a little spicy to me. I can't put my finger on it, but I don't like this. But I do love this ice cream. I love chocolate, anything except for chocolate ice cream. But this one right here from Trader Joe's, it tastes so good. It's like real it's real silky. It just tastes so good, which is crazy to me because I love chocolate to death, but I do not like chocolate ice cream, chocolate milkshakes. I don't like anything like that. But did I show y'all? I added a couple more jars in here from the last time I showed. I'm out of my granola, so going to put my granola in here.
PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the venue, was packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a baby Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow, and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep.
Get a new jar out for my coconut. I don't think I have a label for coconut flakes, but I know what it is, so.
I got options, I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing, I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bad bitch in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. Told cool, he a fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine and Vincenzo's.
We've been talking about getting one. I never wanted one, but he did. So we're about to unbox this.
can put the ball in the end zone, put it back in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song, give me that tempo. So cool, you're fool with this shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.
Got me some marshmallows as well for cocoa night. Found a marshmallow label. Look at him. He just got to be in something. Got to be starting something. And they did have a coconut label. It said desiccated coconuts. I did not know what that means. I had to Google it, and basically it's dried coconuts. Ooh, that looks good. A bag of rice.
What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins.
Dinner is served. Air fried salmon, rice, and spinach. Whew. Just finished eating salmon. I just showed y'all. It was so freaking good. That was our first time having salmon from the air fryer. It was so good. I'm going to show y'all what I got from Target. Not a lot. Really went in there for some earphones because my work earphones that I have, they are pretty much, they don't work. Like the volume, I have it all the way up high and I still can't really hear. So I had the Skull Candy wireless earphones. And then I also have their Skull Candy, the ones you plug up into your phone. I had the, what is it? The AirPods. I don't like them. Yeah, I don't like them. That's this brand. What is this called? J-Lab. Some wireless earphones. Hopefully they'll work good. And then I got this the Sony big earphones. Where I work at, I had to walk the halls with a lot of people. So I like to have my earphones in my ear so people can know I got my earphones on. You know, when I'm going to my break, that might sound rude, but when I'm running through the halls to go on my break, I don't have time to sit around and talk, telling people which direction to go, this way, that way. My break is very precious. I need my break time. So if you have earphones on and you're just on your way, most of the time people don't bother you. So that's why I like to have visible earphones when I'm on my break and running around. Damn, my battery get ready to die. We got some plug-in air fresheners. Oh, this smells so good. This is fresh lemon for Breeze. But I put this in the bathroom. Smell amazing. With the little adapter piece. And then we got Airwick for our room. This is Simply Cotton. And this is Palm Breeze. For my room, I don't like anything that smells too strong because, again, I'm headache prone. If you don't know, I am very headache prone. So I can't have anything that's too strong. That might irritate me and make me get a headache. And speaking of headache prone, some Excedrin migraine. Got these. I think that's about it from Target. I'm going to finish talking about my teeth while I oil my scalp or grease my scalp with the concoction I made the other day. My hair growth situation. I want my hair to grow down my back, so that's what I got. That's why I made this. But so back to my tooth. I had a baby tooth. I forgot what it's called, the proper term, but I have a baby tooth in my mouth. Every time I would go to the dentist would say, "Oh, you have a baby tooth?" Like, yeah, I know. It actually do bother me. I say no. So they didn't say anything. So maybe 2 years ago it cracked. So I'm like, oh no, we gotta do something about it. Went to the dentist. 2 options. I could get an implant or if I have an actual adult tooth that's in my gum that didn't come down, then they would have to bring it down. I can't put a false tooth in place of that tooth if it's something up there. That makes sense. Okay. So, got an x-ray, and I had an adult tooth still in my gums. I was a little sad because I didn't feel like going through everything that I'm going through right now. I wish I didn't have adult tooth so they could just put an implant in there and keep it moving. So, sorry if I'm talking fast because, like I said, my battery get ready to die. Went to see an orthodontist. I had all four of my wisdom teeth. And they were impacted and it was like growing this way. So it was like shifting my teeth to push this way. So I had to get all four of my wisdom teeth removed, which I was so scared to do that because I had to be put under because they, like I said, my wisdom teeth were impact. So they had to put me to sleep, break them, and take them out. So I got through that. And then they removed my baby teeth that was where my canine teeth is. They removed that and put like a bracket there. Like it was like in my gut. I don't even know how to describe it, but it put a bracket there, like a gold chain. Then I went to the orthodontist. Orthodontist had put